OnePlus is making another run at a smartwatch with its Watch 2. OnePlus has now officially announced the OnePlus Watch 2 will launch next week on February 26 at the Mobile World Congress Conference in Barcelona. And this is Oppo Watch X, aka OnePlus Watch 2 in real life. Oppo has now officially announced the Oppo Watch X will launch next week on February 29th at the Malaysia. OnePlus also revealed that the watch will have a stainless steel chassis and a sapphire crystal watch face. It'll be available in two colors, dubbed Black Steel and Radiant Steel. The company claims in an announcement that the new watch will have up to 100 hours of battery life. These renders also reveal an elevated surface on the right-hand side, housing the two hardware buttons. The back shows off what appears to be a pin charging system and large health sensor. OnePlus Watch 2 is bringing a 1.43-inch AMOLED display. OnePlus also confirms using a sapphire crystal to protect the circular display. The watch using the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor with 1GB RAM and 4GB storage, making the second watch a rather more powerful wearable than the first OnePlus Watch. The OnePlus Watch 2 will run Wear OS 4 out of the box. With the OnePlus Watch 2, the company aims to win the best flagship smartwatch title of the year. OnePlus is also offering a trade-in program in the US which gives you $50 off from the Watch 2. Buyers in Europe can sign up with their OnePlus account and receive a $30 discount for Watch 2. The early bird offer is also available in India, with an INR 1000 discount on the watch and a free pair of Bullets wireless Z2 ANC earphones. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.